Most people will tell you that size matters, but what they don't tell you is that it only matters when it is below ideal. Beyond that, only quality matters, and that's why we have brought you here. We are in the heart of Kileleshwa, and this is a development, very exclusive development of 67 units. From a luxurious dining room to a very big living room, a closed kitchen that looks like a masterpiece, and a very posh family room, these are some of the features that you'll get in these units. The 3 bedrooms in this development are starting from 221 square meters, and the prices are starting from 29 million Kenya shillings. The 4 bedrooms are starting from 335 square meters, and the prices are starting from 40 million Kenya shillings. And we have the 5 bedrooms which are starting from 454 square meters, and the prices are starting from 55 million Kenya shillings. For the record, we are also getting some amenities that are coming with this development. First, we have an infinity swimming pool which will be on the roof deck. We are also going to give you a baby pool. A gym is very important. That's why we are giving you his and hers gym, which comes with an aerobic section. We are also going to give you a multi-purpose hall where you can do your gathering and your meetings. And lastly, we are going to give you a roof deck which comes with a gazebo and a fireplace. This project is in progress and it will be completed in the last quarter of this year. That is between October and December this year. What do you require to get a unit here? Just a 30% deposit, then the balance will be paid during the construction period. Each unit comes with a foyer that welcomes you to the living room. You get a small sitting area where you can sit as you're removing your shoes. On my left hand side, you will have an access to the common washroom. Come, let me show you something else. Each unit comes with a massive big door that is made of oak, and outside the unit you get an extra door which can be used to access this entrance porch, and from this entrance porch you have a small door here which can be used to access the employee quarters. For a 354 square meters 4-bedroom unit, you are going to get a lot of space. And as you can see, the developer has done everything to make sure that you enjoy the best quality in Nairobi for your money. As you can see, the living room is massive, big enough to fit a 7-seater couch like this one, and you still have so much extra space here. And on this other side to where you can do whatever you want with it. You're also getting a beautiful console table, and that comes in handy especially when you want to do some painting work or some accessories like you see right now. If that is not enough, you are getting a focal point of 7 meters to give you a very good space to where you can do all your electronics, including a 65-inch TV like this one. You still have some cabinetry that would be used to fit all your other electronics, and some sections here of shelves where you can do a bit of decorations. A storage becomes very necessary, especially when you have such a big unit. The balcony in this unit is massive, and it extends on this other side to join the dining area balcony and the family room balcony. Just look at this space. You can do a lot with it. These homes are adopting a mixed design layout, and that means that the living room is opening to the dining area on this side, which is an 8-seater dining set done excellently and coming with a massive window to make sure that you are getting enough natural light as you are enjoying the food in this space. The unit also adopts a closed kitchen layout, which becomes in handy, especially when you want to cook some smelly foods and you need a bit of privacy. That is excellent. If that is not enough, the home is giving you a family room, which is very, very important, especially when you want to do some private business with all the family members without disturbing anyone else. From the dining space, which is on my far front, we are at the kitchen. I am loving the size of it, and I like how it has been partitioned into sections depending on the chores that you want to do. On this side, you have the baking area, and you also get the microwave area. You are getting an internal small pantry here. There is a bigger pantry on my far front, which we'll see in a minute. This other section has been reserved for your side-by-side refrigerator. And here you are going to get extra storage, which comes in the lower and the upper cabinetry. This acts as the cooking area, and it comes with a 5-burner cooktop plus an induction head, and this is the heat extractor. This other section has been left for your washing of the utensils, and it comes with a double sink to allow easy wash and rinsing of the utensils. The space other has been reserved for your dishwasher. That one can be done at an extra cost, and you have a big window here which will feed this kitchen with a ton of natural light. The pantry is here, and it has been partitioned very well to fit all your dry foods. This door is taking you to the laundry area and the employee quarters. Let's see that. The laundry area has been done very well, coming with an industrial sink. Under this platform, you have spaces where you can do your washer and dryer, and on top of it, you have the ironing board. These units are also coming with 150-liter heating equipment, and this is very important, especially when you have such a big unit. And this is the employee quarters, big enough to fit a 4x6 bed, and it also comes with a bathroom here, which comes with a very beautiful shower cubicle. These units are enjoying SPC flooring, especially in the common areas, and it is very warm, especially in the cold days. That is a plus, and SPC is very expensive, by the way. From the common spaces, welcome to the private family room, and it comes with a door to separate everyone else from this private space. As you can see, it has been built very well to give you some space where you can enjoy your favorite TV show, and you get an access here to one of the biggest balcony that we have seen in the channel. And as you can see, the family room is big enough to fit a 6-seater couch like this one. The ceiling heights are excellent. I'm loving the quality of everything, and you have very aerated space for you to relax. This is a plus, actually. This is a very beautiful and a very fine painting. As I mentioned earlier, this unit is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite condo, and the 4 bedrooms are from here going this way. On my right hand side, you have the access to the 3 bedrooms, which are dedicated to the children of this family and the guest bedroom. On my left hand side, you have access to the primary bedroom, which is a gem. And I like it that the primary bedroom is closer to the common spaces, because if you have money and you are getting a bit old, you don't have all the energy to keep walking to the longest corner of this unit. That is an excellent idea. From this big, beautiful sleeping space to a walk-in bathroom, which has been done very well, a walk-in closet is necessary these days. This is where the kings and the queens of this family should be enjoying their private space. When you get to this level of wealth, you need a lot of calm in your life, and getting a sitting space in the bedroom comes in handy. And this is where you can sit with your partner, discuss about your future goals, and see how the Lord is treating you. Let me show you the bathroom. The primary bathroom comes with a big shower cubicle that enjoys a handheld and a big rain shower. On this other side, you get your tub, which is big enough for one tall person. You have a floating WC, and on this other side, you are going to enjoy a double vanity. The reason why it is called a walk-in closet is because you can walk in it as you're searching for your clothes. As you have seen, it comes with numerous compartments that would be enough for your clothes and your partner's clothes. And down here, you get a set of 6 drawers, which comes in handy, especially when you want to keep your tiny garments. At this end of the walk-in closet, you get your dresser, which comes with a huge mirror to make sure that you can look at yourself when you're doing your makeup. The primary balcony is huge, and from here you'll be able to get the best views of Lavington, because this development is at the demarcation between Lavington and Kileleshwa. Very, very beautiful views. As I mentioned earlier, this other side has been left for the other 3 bedrooms. The first one is there. We will see it in a minute. Here you have a common space which comes with some extra storage and a desk which can be used as the study area. This is the second bedroom for the kids, and the third bedroom also targeting your kids. If you would want to do a pre-purchase inspection for any unit that you want to purchase, make sure you call us, and the shorter version of this video is in our other socials. This is the first bedroom, which is targeting your kids, and it is big enough to fit a 4x6 bed like this one. Spaces for the side drawers and the closet is massive. Floor to ceiling, coming with several shelves, and here you get 3 drawers. The bathroom to this bedroom comes with a shower cubicle, nice, a floating WC, and a small vanity which comes with a mirror. This is the second kids bedroom, and it is targeting your teenagers. It has been done very well, and it would easily fit a 5x6 bed like this one. You have some space left over there and an extra space left on this side. This bedroom also comes with a big closet which is on both sides of these walls. The bathroom has been done very well, and it is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we saw in this unit. The study area comes with some storage. You have a sitting area where your children can do the assignment, and on this other side you have an entrance to the third bedroom which is targeting your guests. The bathroom to this bedroom is at the main entrance, and it is also adopting a similar concept to all the other bathrooms that we saw. This bedroom targeting your guests is big enough for 2 guests, especially when you invite both of your parents. This would be an excellent place for them to sleep, or maybe your brother and your sister. Just look at this room, big enough and done very well. You are also going to get a big window which gives you a ton of natural light. On this other side, you get the guest closet which comes with several shelves, several drawers, and enough spaces for the hangable clothes. We have come to the end of the tour. We hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase any of these units, make sure you call us in the number that will be attached down here. And if you are looking for a smaller units, maybe 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms for investment, we also have a ton of those in our portfolio. So call us. That's all for today. We will see you in the next one.